Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about an app that I am really excited about. I've been playing with it for a little bit now, and it is called Seesaw. And this is a really cool app that uses technology in learning. So many schools now have Chromebooks or laptops. Our school is going to Chromebooks this year, and we will have one-to-one even in the elementary schools, all the way from K to 5. So I created an account here. When you log in for the first time, you can choose to sign up for free, which is what I did, and I'm already logged in, so I'll show you what I've got. But I set myself up as a teacher, and you can put however many classes that you have. I'm going to be doing a connections class this year, so I'm going to have a STEM lab, and I will see grades K through 5. So I've set up a 5th grade class and a 4th grade class. So I was kind of working my way down. And anyway, you set these classes up. You can add students, so that's what I've done here. I added this make-believe student, Sam Smith. So you click on Add Students, and that's how you add them. You put in their names, and when you put in their names, it shows you the ways that the students can log in. So they can either log in by going to the app or by going to the website. They choose that they're a student, and they can either scan that code right there or put in the text code, and you will have put their name in, so then they just find their name, and that is how they log in to see what assignments or activities rather you've given them. So to assign an activity, you can click on activities here, and here's the one I already did. But to add another one, you could just go to this little green, that's actually my library. So let's see, you can browse the activity library, and this will give you some different ideas so of activities that you can do. I clicked on this because this was my 4th grade class, and it gave me some ideas. I've added this one. If you like one, you can click on the little heart right here, and it will add it to your library. So that when it's added to the library, you can either use it later or you can go ahead and share it with the class. Once you click on share it with the class, you can schedule it to go out a certain time. You can do it immediately. You can choose which class it goes to. I'm going to share it with 4th grade here. And then it shares the activity with those students. So once the student signs in, they can respond to that activity. So I've added 2 activities now, and the students can go in and they can do it. You can even assign it to individual students if you want, but they can go in and they can do the assignment, and once they have completed the assignment, they can send it back to you to review or to edit. And then you can check it. Once you've checked it and approved it, then it goes into the student's journal. Right now, the students do not have a journal because they've not done any activities yet, but when they do, it kind of keeps them online in a database. You can do some really neat things. You can talk to your students, you can talk to their families, you can add families, you can even rate their skills, keep an eye on how they're doing on their activities. You can share once you've found activities that you like, you can share them to students or with teachers. So you can kind of collaboratively work with other teachers in your school. For instance, with my position this year, I will be able to complement some of what the teachers are doing in the classrooms. And so when I assign something, I can share it with the teachers so that they can kind of keep an eye on it as well, and really kind of help work together to help the students learn the concepts or the standards that they're working on. I'm really excited about this app. I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and there's so many different ways that you can use it. You can even create your own activities, or there's several others on here posted by other teachers. So that are readily available that you can use. So once again, I'm really excited, and I hope that you guys will be excited as well and try to use this. Hope you all have a good night. Thank you.